So what is blue screen? What is green screen? All right, blue screen and green screen are a technique that filmmakers use to be able to manipulate their background in their frame. All right. So what it basically does is that anywhere that has green in your frame, you can easily replace it with whatever thing you want. Basically, whatever background that you want. So we'll just demonstrate how this works by bringing in a green screen footage and adding a background to it. All right. So I have this clip here in my project panel called Man Walking. I'll bring it into my timeline, and then you can see everywhere is green. Okay, and then I will bring in my background. Okay, and you see what happens. I can't see my green screen footage anymore. First of all, let me chop off this to the same length as the green screen video. Alright, what I needed to know is that when you stack up videos one after another, you can only see the video at the top. You won't see the video at the bottom. Okay, you only see the video at the top. Alright, so because we have these two videos, these two clips stacked one after each other, we can only see the video at the top, which is the background. If you want to see the one at the bottom, then you toggle off this to be able to see it. Alright, now imagine that we need to see the two clips, okay, blend together. Do we need to use blend mode? No. If one of your image have transparent background, you can easily move it to the top, like the way I will do with this green screen video. I'll move it to the top because it will have a transparent background. And as I've done this, you will see that now we can see the two videos, one overlaid over the other. Okay, so always take note that the video at the top is what you see, you don't see the video at the bottom. All right, so for you to see the video at the bottom, you have to make sure that the one that has a transparent background is at the top and the one that doesn't have transparent background is at the bottom. So that way you can accommodate the two. All right, so let us work on this green screen video. I've highlighted it and you go into your effect here, and under video effect you look for key. Let me just type it here, key. You see under video effect you have key and you have tons of key. For this I will use ultra key. Okay, I'll use ultra key, and once I drag it there, you go to effect control. You see the ultra key is there. Now under key color, I can easily pick the color I want to remove, and that is a green. Just click on this color picker, and that will help you to be able to pick the color. And immediately I pick the color, you will see that the green have disappeared. All right, I will scale up this image so I can see it very well, meaning that I can see the edges to be sure that there's no green spills around this subject. All right, so that's where all these other parameters come in, where I can adjust. So let me adjust. You can adjust the transparency. Okay, all right, so under matte cleanup, I can further work on the greens. Okay, under choke, you need to just adjust these parameters to see how it affects your clip. All right, so there's a spill in this right part of his arm, and I'll use this choke to reduce it a bit. All right, simply reduce something, then the contrast, then the midpoint. Alright, another thing we want to adjust is your spill suppression. Spill suppression, and under spill, see, in case you have any green that spills over, I can adjust this. And I don't know if you notice this small green around this finger here. Let me try and scale this up more. Okay, you see this pin here? Yes. So once I adjust the scale, see what happens. See that it has blend, it has reduced drastically. Okay, this is before and this is the after. Okay, so that way I can reduce the spills in my footage. All right. And I can as well work on the color, the image color. Okay, I can as well work on it. Let me zoom out so we can see what we are doing. So I can as well work on the color, saturation, the hue or the luminance. All right. And once I've done it to my taste, let's see the before and after. Okay, I think this is good for me. Then let me scale it down a bit. All right, so I'll put it on the side. Now this background, and now this background is here, and let's play it back and see what we got. Yes, see, very lovely. Yeah, very lovely. All right, so that is how we create very lovely shots using green screen, right?